So I wanted just to show the list that MTV put together for their top 100 videos in 1991. I'm just going to show you the top 10. And the reason why is that I think you can see, there wasn't just like a real clear split between the college or alternative rock and what was on MTV the rest of the time, the majority of the time. It was pretty well integrated. If anything, 120 minutes served as a kind of farm club to see if something would catch on, and then maybe it would get played the rest of the schedule. But this is nothing scientific. It's just what MTV says their top videos were of 1991. This was a little surprising to me. Number one, Guns N' Roses, "You Could Be Mine." I'm going to play this video for you in a second, and once you see it, you won't be surprised. It is so of 1991. This is a song from the Terminator 2 soundtrack. But right then after that was REM with "Losing My Religion." There's a great documentary about REM. I think it's called REM by MTV or REM slash MTV, something like that, because MTV really did document, if we could say that, REM and promote REM over the course of their career up until and through the mid 90s, late 90s. And so, REM really kind of tracked with MTV in terms of that network success. Anyway, "Losing My Religion," number two video of all 1991 on MTV. And then, some of the other stuff here is undoubtedly mainstream. Bryan Adams, "Queensryche." I left out the unnecessary umlaut in "Queensryche." Maybe it's necessary. I don't know. I refuse to put the umlaut. I refuse to put too much attention into "Queensryche" to know where the umlaut should go in "Queensryche." But then also, jumping out here after Mariah Carey is EMF at number six with "Unbelievable." EMF, one hit wonder perhaps, but definitely one that was kind of more on the dancey alternative Brit pop side of thing. And as well started out with they're getting their airplay on 120 minutes before they catch on elsewhere. You wouldn't find Nirvana on the top videos of 1991 until you got to number 70. And it's not like Teen Spirit came out like at the end of December. It came out at the end of September. So there was still October, November, December, a lot of time. And certainly by the end of December, Nirvana was pretty big, but the impact really didn't happen. There wasn't a massive shift towards the grunge and the Seattle sound on MTV until 1992. So that's what we're going to watch now. We're going to watch Guns N' Roses, "You Could Be Mine." Although I think this video probably owes more to the introduction to the $6 Million Man from the 1970s than it does to Terminator 2. However, it is pretty great. Arnold shows up at the Guns N' Roses show. Everything about this video screams 1991. Enjoy it. Then we'll have "Losing My Religion," followed by EMF with "Unbelievable."